Welcome back to Mini Marsh Races, guys, and this is season 6 already now of the Distance Championship. Right, these are the cars. Just a random selection with Marshall's help this time. Different categories. Got 50 cars in total. This is a track then. Starting off big straight, banked 180 hairpin. Second banked 180 hairpin. Turn 3 is a bank 90, turn 4 is a bank 90, and then 5, 6, and 7 if anyone can get that far. So Marshy, are you ready? Let's get into it. Right, let's do some Hot Wheels Racerverse, and first here we've got Mike Wazowski. Hey, he looks pretty quick, Marsh. Just stopping there at turn 5, good effort. Right, let's see what Mickey Mouse can do. After Mike Wazowski got, he doesn't look as quick, round turn 4. No, he's not going to beat Mike Wazowski, Marshall. But nevertheless, still a good effort from Mickey. Right, next up then, we've got Mr. Incredible. Rounds turn 3, turn 4. Can he get past Mickey? He can. Is he going to get near Mike Wazowski? No. But good effort, Marsh, from Mr. Incredible.
Not done too bad.
No, he didn't, mate. Our last race reverse then is Darth Vader, and these cars have actually been pretty quick, but this was going to be the slowest. Yeah, he's not made it around turn 3. Darth Vader way behind. So, Mike Wazowski then takes the early lead in round 1.
Because he has got 6 wheels.
Whoa, yeah, he's got 6 wheels, says Marshall. Oh. Right, how about some tuned cars? Does anyone like these tuned cars, or like the mini versions? This is the Pagani Zonda going first. Not bad, he beats Darth Vader, but didn't make out turn 4, did he, Marsh?
Beaten Mike Wazowski.
Our next tuned is the Porsche 911 Turbo, and he seems pretty slow. Yep, he's going to, and he's binned it on turn 3. He's going to be last of the runners for now. Right, let's see if the 83 Chevy Silverado, no, he's not even going to make it round turn 2. Ooh, no.
Next up, we've got a mini tuned Batman.
We have, mate. Batman from the animated TV series, tuned car. Oh, I thought he was going to be the best tune, but he's just crashed just before the Pagani Zonda.
The Pagani Zonda is the best tune.
Yeah.
I think he's going to be the best tune one. He is.
Right, our final tune car then is the Mazda RX-3. And he's showing some good speed, Marshall. Always getting the best tune car right. Oh, yeah. Just by Mr. Incredible into 3rd place.
I knew it, Daddy.
Hey, so the tune cars do have some pace. So Mazda takes that round ahead of the Pagani Zonda and the Batman.
I just said that.
Okay, any van drivers out there? This is the first of 4 vans. We've got the Ford Super Van. Oh, he's not done bad, but it's that top heavy. Makes it difficult to get around some of these banked corners. Didn't make it around turn 4. Right, here comes the VW ID Buzz Bomb. Oh, he's made it round turns 2. Oh, and he's flipped over at turn 3. Proving tricky course for the vans. Here comes the key swap. Whoa! What the hell? I've never seen that before. Wow, up he goes up there in a special place. Right, here comes the 1986 Toyota van. Oh, I'm not surprised he fell.
But Daddy, you couldn't try them again.
What, you want to try the other one again?
Yeah, that one.
Key swap that binned it. Okay, let's give him another go. Right, here comes the key swap. Oh, and he's just not got it in him. He's not got it in him. He's not going to do it, Marshall.
Just try
We'll put him there. No, we'll leave it as that, Mark.
What? You can't see?
Attempt number 3 of the key swap. Oh, that's the best of the bunch. Oh, he stayed up there.
Stupid Batman.
Stupid van. Right, let's race some pickup trucks. Here comes the Datsun Sunny truck. Marshall's fell off his chair, but I'm still following the car. Don't worry, Marsh. Oh, he's a bit slow. He's not made it round turn 3. Marshall's injured himself. Right, here comes the Troker. See what we can do. He's a heavy car. Oh, Swazzy's made it round. Oh, he beats the Datsun Sunny. Not around turn 3, but best pickup we've got so far.
Oh.
Here comes the Volkswagen T2 pickup. Surprised he's made it around turn 1. Surprised he made it around turn 2. Good run. Ooh, slowest of the pickups, but hey, done well.
No.
Right, our final pickup is a 67 Chevy 10. Oh, it looks like he's going to be the best. He is going to be the best pickup, but none of them make it round turn 3. But all of them in the line, look, but Chevy takes that round. Right, let's race some convertibles. We've got the Mazda MX-5. Oh, no. Mazda MX-5. Yeah, it crashed. Right, can the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet do any better? Yes, he can. This looks speedy, Marsh. Going. Can he get me a Mike Wazowski? Can't, but second place. Mike Wazowski still leading. Right, here comes the Ferrari 458 Spider. Can he do anything? And he showed some good roll. He's going. Can he get past the Porsche? Oh, he just can. New second place for the 458 Spider.
It's actually going up and up.
Yeah,
every time.
Right, our last convertible then is the BMW 507. He sounds slow, he looks slow, but he's still going. Yep, turn 4, not too bad. But not breaking any records. So the 458 just beats the 911 Cabriolet for the convertible round win. Right, here comes some cars based on food. Let's see if any of them are tasty around the track. This is the Cordia Sala. Oh, no. Bins it out of turn 4, Marshall.
Binned it, Daddy. He's binned it.
Right, next we've got the Street Wiener, the hot dog car. And he shows some good turn of pace. Round turn 4. Ooh, not bad. Just behind Mr. Incredible and the tuned Mazda. Right, here comes the Eggshell Racer. Oh! That's going to be a cracked egg. That's going to be a cracked egg.
He's going to be rubbish.
You want to try him again, Marsh?
Yeah. Let's try a stupid one again. Come on, you better work. Come on.
Right, attempt 2 of the Eggshell Racer. No, he's not going to do it. Cracked egg. Last place. Right, can the dessert drifter do any better? Oh, another one that's 180'd. Marshall's fell off his chair. Right, let's try the dessert drifter one more time. No. What do you say, Marsh? Trash.
He's stupid.
Right, let's try some cars from Fast and Furious then. This is the Nissan Silvia S13. Round turn 3. Not making turn 4. I was hoping for more.
Are you ready, Porsche? Thank you, Porsche.
Right, here's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Oh, it's showing some good pace. Hey, good pace, Mark. This could be a new leader. Round Mike Wazowski goes. Oh, yes. Great run. Woohoo.
My favourite cars, what?
Hey, yeah, I like that one as well. Right, this is the 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. And that, so slow.
He's done
just made out of turn
rubbish.
2. Down the straight, but
There you
just.
go.
Right, here comes the 70 Dodge Charger then. Can he do better than the Barracuda? Yes, he can. Round turn 3, round turn 4. No, not round turn 4. Just stops on it.
Here you go.
Just next to the Zonda and the Cardiac Santa. What the hell are you doing?
I'm being funny. I'm being funny to make me laugh. Okay.
Right, our last Fast and Furious car is a 66 Chevy Impala. Don't know what Marshall's talking about, but I think he's had too much orange juice.
Poop my eyeball up fat.
What are you on about?
Poop's stupid.
So the Porsche 911 GT3 takes that round for Fast and Furious. Clear of Mike Wazowski and a lot clearer of some of the other Fast and Furious cars. Right, here comes some more wacky designs, and these have all been picked by Marshall. This is the Perfect, the cat car. Turn 4 he goes. Mid-turn 4, not too bad. Squeeze him in there. Just behind the Zonda. Right, here comes the R driver. We have to drop him because he didn't fit. Oh, he's...
Oh no, my eyeballs don't fit.
No, I didn't think he'd do well, but he gave it his best.
And he's also stupid car.
Should we try him one more time? Right, here comes the aisle driver then.
Yeah.
He couldn't fit behind the start gate, and he's not going to make on the track, but...
We are going to Bowmay Hall tomorrow.
What?
Here
comes the RV there, yeah. No, it's another one that's binned it. Oh, no. Binned it. Right, can the Screamliner do any better? Yes, he can. He makes it around turn 2. Oh, crash at turn 3. He picked some slow ones here, Marsh.
Yep.
Right, last one. Then we've got the Bazooka.
No,
No, didn't think he'd make it. Another one. Did you pick ones that crash on purpose?
Yes.
Who even won that round? Can't even remember who we had. Oh, the winner was the Perfect, the cat car. He takes that round. Right, here's some vehicles with police-inspired liveries. And first we've got the Mad Manga. Round turn 3. Can he make it round? Sorry, round turn 2. No, and crash at turn 3. Sorry, that's what I meant. Mad Manga bins it. Right, our next police-themed car is the Drift Ender. Round turn 2. Round turn 3. Round turn 4. Just behind. Yep, just behind Mickey Mouse. Not a bad run. Takes the lead for this round, but
many more.
still miles off that Porsche. Right, next we've got the car from Knight Rider. Might not class technically as police car, but we thought it was still just as good. Turn 3 is where it stops, just out turn 3. Right, our last police car then is the Alpha Pursuit. Round turn 3 goes, round turn 4. Hey, it's going to be the best police car Marsh. Hey, he's done pretty well. Ooh, just behind the 911 Turbo Cabriolet. So, Alpha Pursuit takes the round. Just ahead of the Drift Ender. Right, just to recap then, guys, there's your winner, the 911 GT3 RS from Fast and Furious. Second was Mike Wazowski, our first car to go. Third was the Ferrari 458 Spider. Fourth was the 911 Turbo Cabriolet, sorry. And fifth was the Alpha Pursuit. So them 5 will be qualifying for the Champion of Champions in future seasons. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.